Yo, what's good everybody? This is Taki from grillz, and today I'm gonna let everybody know what is the key to make a perfect grills. And the answer is 100% the tea impression, right? So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to get a perfect tea mold done. So long story short, let's go. This is our mold kit. I'm gonna show you guys what is contained. The tutorial, glove tray, and these little tools. And the orange one, this light body to make the gum line more clear. Two color, the most important thing to make the tea impression. First thing first, put the glove on. First step, the mixing, white one and the purple one. Take them out and then mix them up. Once it turns to the one color, you need to roll it to the hot dog shape, like this. And this is the tray for bottom. Put the hot dog in the middle of the tray ASAP. Lips out and make sure your teeth is on the middle of the hot dog. Then bite all the way down to them totally cover your gum line and press them like this to make sure everything just sit on your teeth and the gum line, and keep it for 3 minutes. Yo, I just got 2 mold done, alright, off of the bottom, but one is good, one is bad. And this one is good one, and you can tell the clear gum line. This one is bad one. You can see the front teeth, the gum line is not that clear. For the good one, it's already done. But for the bad one, honestly, it's not that bad. If we put the light body in it and bite it again, then we can make the gum line more clear. This is a light body. We're gonna use it. Open it up like this and set the yellow tool on like this. Now all is ready. And then place your mold on the table and then fill the space that you need to make the grills. And tap it like that to expel surplus gas and put it in your mouth. Bite all the way down again and then keep it for 2 minutes. Okay, now we just got the second bite finished. See what we got. The second one, yo, it's perfect. Okay, now we just get that done. And then after that, send it back to me. Then we can get the finished mold done like this. And then we can start the production to get the grills done. This is my own grills. I'm gonna put this on my tea. Yeah, you can tell the gum line is very clear. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, now we just get all this kind of stuff done. And I hope everybody here can be the best. And I hope y'all can get your grills done ASAP in the future, alright? Peace out everybody here. This is Taki from grillz.